Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7, and today I'm going to show you how to copy contacts from SIM card to this device. So to do this, first let's open Contacts application. Then you should go to the three dots here, select Settings, then select Import and Export. So now we select where from, in our case from our SIM card, then select where to phone contacts. Here you can select which contacts you want to transfer, so basically just select them all or kinda like that. Then tap OK, and after that these contacts will appear on your device. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.